What you're about to see is my personal unpublished routine of 4 coins penetrating the hands of mine and of the spectators. So let's have a look. So let me show you how it looks like from the spectator's view. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coins and 1 hand with a hole. Do you see the hole here? If I rub the back of my hand like this, 1 coin is going to penetrate my hand like this. This one has penetrated inside my hand. I have 3 coins. So this is how it works. This coin will block the others from coming out. So would you hold out your hand, please? Would you hold out your hand, please? Yes, like that. I put this coin here, and if I tap, and if I rub the back of my hand, 1 more coin will come out. 1 more coin will come out. So I have 2, and I'll give you 2. So by far, do you understand how the game works? So if you do, let's carry on with this. Let me shake it. So 1 more coin has penetrated. So would you close your hand into your fist for me, please? That's 1, 2, and 3. 3 coins. You close it into your fist. And could you feel this last coin? This last coin is going to penetrate your hand. And there's nothing in mine. So when you take a look at, open up your hand again and have a look, there will be 4 coins. So if you like this and if you need the tutorial, please comment down below and leave me whatever message, kind message, and I'm going to share with you the tutorial by adding you into my list. Thank you.